Hello guys, this is Kate Extreme Vlogging, and for today we're having a safari. Okay, we're having a desert safari. Yes, with me, a guy 27 years old, yeah, from Pakistan, and his name is, what's your name again?
Radim Shah.
Radim Shah, 27 years old from Peshawar. Yes, Pakistan, Patan. So now we're heading to Dera to pick up 2 people from Sudan. Okay? So guys and gals, yes, samahan niyo po ako sa ating traveling for today. Desert Safari, Dubai. What? So, I have a friend from where is the place? Islamabad, and he is keep going up in the mountain, but his subscriber is not so much. Yeah. I told him, why? What happened to you? Why is your channel is not getting big? You have channel also?
My channel is big problem.
Guys, here we are. We are now here at Hatta, Oman. And we're talking about what we're gonna ride, what kind of baggy we will use. Okay, so here we are. This is my group. All right, yes, that one. They're choosing of which one they're gonna choose. Okay, so many baggy here to use. Okay, there you are. You can see there at the back. So that's the baggy. So yes, whoever wanted to. Okay, but I will be coming with the other guy, okay, because I'm going to get a video out of the safari. All right, join me together. This is Kate Extreme Vlogging. Po, nakikita nyo yung mga baggy. Ayan po ang mga baggy. Yes, for rent po yan, 150. Okay, not only your 80 dirham, that included the baggy and the other thing. Okay, so that is only 20 minutes out of your 150. Anyway, let's do it. Yeah, because yeah, it is an experience for us. For the guys, nag-uusap pa po sila kung ano sasakyan nila. Ayan, may napili na pa ako. Worth 150 po yun. Worth 150, guys. Ayan, kaya magdadrive ako na solo later on. Okay, okay, witness me. I'm doing my motorbike. Okay, guys, so here we go. Yeah, we're rounding. Okay, 20 minutes only. What? 20 minutes driving. Okay, here we go. Ayan, nakita niyo yung hair ko. Ayan. Alright. Alright guys, so ayan po, samahan nyo ako. We're having a motorcycle running, okay? Slowly lang tayo. Okay, saan ko ba itatayo itong video ko para makita nyo guys? Now, we're having fun. Okay, let's go. Yes, and let's have the video this way. Okay, so drive tayo guys. There we go. Nakakaloka! Wow! And guys, yan, nagpo-motor si Kate. Okay, so we're having fun. Ayan, okay. So punan muna natin po guys. Yan, stop tayo. Punan natin ang video yung ating. Yes, nandito po ako. Ayan, naka-ano tayo over the sun, right? Yes, bababa muna ako. Ayan guys, yes, nandito po tayo at nagmo-motor. Ayan po, samahan nyo ako guys. Magmo-motor po tayo, okay? So So, ito po yung ginagamit ko for today. Ayan po. Yes, tayo tayo ng konti. Ayan. Ayan po ang aking motor. Mag-iikot ako guys ha. Akit muna ako sa taas ha. Samahan niyo ako guys and gals. Here we go. Yes, at ito po, magpapatakbo po ulit si Kate ng motor. Okay, here we go. Ayan. Pababa, aro. Pababa. Ayan guys. Yes, sinamahan nyo ako guys. Ayan, nag-enjoy po si Kate sa kanyang 1-month vacation po. At dito po, nandito po tayo sa safari. Ito po ay nasa Hatta, Oman. And let's go! Let's go! Ito po ay buggy. Ang tawag po dito ay bag. Okay? Ayan. Ayan, hindi pa pala. Pag nagbayad pala kayo ng 80 dirham, that is include transportation, tapos yung kakainan nyo mamayang gabi, yung I guess, meron tayong party mamaya sa sa Desierto that will be located in Dubai. Okay? So, ayan po. Pahinga tayo, nakakapagod pala to. Okay, nakakapagod pala. Yes, ayan po yung araw. Nasa likod po natin ang haring araw. At yes, I really enjoy having a desert safari po. Ayan, andito po ang inyong lingkod, si Kate Extreme Vlogging. Ayan po, at pinupulpak na po natin ang ating video for the month of December. At yun po, samahan nyo ko guys, mag-iikot tayo. Bye-bye! Okay.
Mr. Jerry, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You are my Pakistan people and Jerry TikToker. You are we.
Really?
Wala,
may TikTokers daw nakapangalan ko. Yun ang tunay kong pangalan, guys. Yes, ayan, umakit na kami. Wow. Ayan, nasigpaw mo na kami ng bundok. Wow. Wow.
Here and video picture. Come. Here, the video picture again. WhatsApp.
Okay.
This iPhone.
iPhone 4.
Yes, yes.
Ayan po yung kasama kong dalawa na mga from Sudan. Okay, so we're going to the other side of the desert and we're gonna work. Habibi, it's so tiring.